How do you do, everyone? Welcome to the studio so far. This is going to be just kind of like a test run of how to set up my camera with all the stuff that I've got going here in this studio area. It's going to be kind of a test of my lighting. This isn't something that I'm going to normally be doing. It's more or less just to see how things go. I'm going to open up some cards, which will not be my normal MO. I think what I might be doing is sitting down and doing some dad talks. Is I think what I'll title them. Kind of just go over my experiences of being a father and what I've learned along the way so far, and maybe new things that I learn as they come up. Stuff that I'm hoping might be able to reach out and help some people out there. But for now, I haven't prepared anything just yet on that. I'm going to go ahead and open some cards, see how the lighting plays, see if I need to change how my lighting is set up. Right now I'm just using a shop work light as my lighting. Eventually I might get one of those fancy halo rings that everybody talks about. But I don't know. I want to try and keep it real as possible and keep it the way that I figure that any old Joe Schmo can do it, using stuff that they already have. The only thing so far that I've done is I've upgraded to a camera, a GoPro Imitation by Picasso. So, well, anyway, what I'm going to be doing is some U.S. Olympic team card opening. I got at the local grocery store. So let's see what we got in here. It says I might run into a autograph or a memorabilia card. What in the devil is a memorabilia card? Is it like some goofy picture of a jersey or something? Or maybe just one of those ones that says USA on it. Which, that's cool, but I want an autograph. Let's see. There's that box. Looks like it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card packs. Now I did say on the box somewhere that one of these card packs could only have one item in it if it was a special card of some sort. Packs with special insert may contain only one card. So it better be an autograph if I only get one, right? Let's see here. There's the first one. They are by Topps, which, you know, I remember Topps from baseball cards. Weren't bad. Let's see what I got in here. We got us Vashti Cunningham. That's our first one. And then we got us a Kaylee McCleanly. Yeah, McCleanly. Softball. Alright, not too bad. Michael Andrew. Hard to read this stuff upside down. I don't know how these card people do it. Jordan Burroughs. That wrestling guy. Alright. And then, oh my, what the heck is this? U.S. Paralympic Heroes. Jessica Long. Paralympic swimming. That is probably what they would call a memorabilia card, because it is a sketch card and it is not a photograph. Alright. So I think that's our first oddball card, I guess. And everybody else's is a photograph. Yeah, that's what I'm going to go with. It's the odd man out card for now. Alright. Got Trevor Crabb. Looks like beach volleyball. We got Daniel Rumernakanuk. Chikanuk. Huh? Daniel Romanchuk. Paralympic track and field. Alright, cool. We got Bryce Hoppel. Track and field. We got Jessica Long for Paralympic swimming. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at that. Jessica Long. That's her fancy card, I guess. And then Jaden Cox. Oh, and by the way, the back of these, it just gives a little whatsy about these guys. There's a little bit of history. Just tells you a little bit of who they are and why they do what they do, I guess. And not like your typical baseball cards where they're giving you stats, hitting, and RBIs, and all that stuff. So, still no signatures. All right. We got Mallory Comfort. We got Matt Greaves. Daryl Homer, like fencing. Yeah, man. Fencing's where it's at. Robbie Hummel, 3-on-3 basketball. And Daryl Homer again. Hey, that's almost the exact same one. It's just like a little bit of different outline. See that? Huh. Oh, and this one's got numbers stamped into it. It's supposed to be a fancy card. See right there? Some gold numberings. Must be a fancy card for that guy. Okay? Does anything like that happen in this one? No? Interesting. Well, I don't see a signature on it, so that's still not necessarily what I'm after. Let's see, what do we got in here? Ryan Murphy, swimming. Olympic pedigree. It must mean that he has been in the Olympics before. Nyhan Houston, skateboarding. Olympic pedigree. Yeah. Kind of weird that you would talk about somebody's pedigree. Kind of makes them seem like they're dogs or something. Alex Morgan. Christopher Blevins. Olympic pedigree again. Yeah. And then, that's a fancy card. Got a little bit of a copper sheen to it. Maggie Steffens? Yes, Maggie Steffens, water polo. So, sorry if this feels a little bit boring there. I mean, laying out these cards and setting up this box and stuff, just trying to figure out how the lighting plays on this table and how my shadow cast becomes a bit obnoxious or something back there. Might have to start lighting the back with another shop light or something. Jessica Beard. I know that I've heard of her before, yeah. But I also know that I've heard of the Jessica Long character. I'm not big into Paralympics, but sounds familiar. Let's see, we got a Brooke Sweat. Beach volleyball. I know beach volleyball makes everybody sweat. So she's got a perfect name for that. And we got the first repeat there, Christopher Blevins. And we got Kyle Snyder, wrestling. And we got another one of them artsy style ones. Rose Lavelle. Soccer player. Okay, well that concludes the first box. You have another one here. I love that plastic wrap. I think we'll go ahead and make this box a trash box. Trash. Trash goes in there. Yes, it does. Goes in there. Alright. Clear out my name title here. I'm thinking maybe I ought to keep my name title up out in there and where everybody can see it. Yeah. Alright. Let's see, we got, feels like 5 cards and everything, so it mustn't mean that I have a signature, because I'm guessing that's the only way that they're going to not put a whole card, only but one card in a package or something, if it's got some sort of signature on it. Let's see here. We got, hey, the name's on the back. Kyle Snyder, wrestler. Okay. Trevor Crabb, beach volleyball. We got Sam Mukaluk, gymnastics. Male gymnastics team. Alright. We got Carissa Moore, surfing. She's got a pretty cool looking board there. Nyjah Houston, the skateboarding guy again. Oh, looks like I might have gotten a different color on the, yeah, different colors again. Oh, and this has got the special numbers on it, so this is the special card for how that goes for some reason. Maybe for one of my things, I'll try and take some of these Olympians cards and send it to them, see if I can get a signature back, so I can put them in a display case and put them up behind me here. Maybe that'll be a thing. Maybe that'll be a thing for me. Okay, so Jaden Cox, wrestling. Okay. Love them spandex onesies, huh? Sure that everybody loves spandex onesies. We got Haley McCleney. McCleney. I hope that none of these people ever see my channel and go, what the heck did they do to this guy do to my name? So we got, softball. Yeah. Catherine Nye, weightlifting. Alright, pretty cool. Rose Lavelle, soccer. Okay. Simone Manuel, swimming. Okay. I don't mean to demean any of these people here, but we haven't seen in these cards so far any really standout names that I can remember from like newscasts and stuff. I mean, I think the Brooke Sweat Lady and Carissa Moore, maybe, I've heard. Possibly Rose Lavelle, just because she's probably a soccer star. But I definitely don't know any of the guys in these sports. So clearly I am not a sports person. Yes? That's why this is not going to be a thing. No. So we got David Brown, Paralympics. Oh, okay. So it does say his name there. And this must be David Brown here. Okay. We got Ryan Murphy for swimming. Yeah. Again, he may be a swimmer, but I don't really remember him. So maybe I just grew up in a closet or something. Sam McCulloch. I think I'd already had a Sam McCulloch one before. Maybe? Yes. We have a 100% repeat there. There we go. And we got Tom Scott for karate. Okay, cool. Yep. And Kathleen Baker for swimming. Okay. Again, not like the Simone Biles or the big names or anything so far. I mean, there were a lot of Olympic sports, and if I was a sports person, I probably would know some of these people. But alas, I'm not. I'm just kind of, like I said, doing it for a test run, see how my camera works. Okay, there's something on the back here. Let's see when we get there. Michael Andrew, swimming. Okay. And this is a interesting one. We have a memorabilia card. Memorabilia contained on this card is not from any specific game, event, or season. So it looks like we have a swatch, a piece of cutting of one of her swimming uniforms. That is kind of cool, I guess. I wish I knew who Simone Manuel was. Here she is again, right here. We will have to try and see about sending out for a signature, I guess, or something. Kind of complete the whole little thing here. You can actually feel that for swimsuit. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay. Now, what do we have in the next one? Oh, and I guess, you know what? That only came with 2 cards, technically. It was the swatch of whatever and Michael Andrew. So we got Madison Hughes. Rugby. Brady Ellison. Ooh, archery. Yeah. Like me some archery. Still don't know him. Try Bourne. Beach volleyball. Monica Abbott. Softball. Kyle Schneider Wrestling. Okay. Oh, hey, look at that. Different cards for Kyle Schneider. Not a special one, but oh. Alright, so this concludes our strangest video, I think, yet. Bunch of Olympic athletes, bunch of people I don't know. I hope you had fun watching this video, and at least seeing some of the cards that come up. But I'll have to look up who Simone Manuel is, and maybe seek this person out for a signature, and frame this up and kind of put it behind me here. Kind of cool. Never thought I'd be getting something like this. I was hoping for a signature. I figured I'd end up with a signature from somebody who, well, is a bit on the obscure side and I've never ever heard of, like a Paralympic athlete, or I don't know, third string backup to the water polo team. I don't know. But, well, till next time, see what kind of trouble I can get into next. Later.